Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the font of text in Carrd. This is a fundamental skill that will help you customize your website's typography to match your brand or personal style. Let's jump right in and get your text looking exactly how you want it. First, open your web browser and navigate to carrd.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your Carrd dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can manage all your sites. In the upper right panel, click on the plus New Site button. This will start the process of creating a fresh site where we can work on customizing text. Next, you'll see several template options appear on your screen. Navigate to the blank page option and click Select. Starting with a blank page gives you complete freedom to design and customize without any pre-existing elements getting in the way. Now that your blank page is loaded, look to the upper right corner and click the plus button from the menu that appears. Select Text. This action adds a text element to your page, which is what we'll be customizing in the following steps. Once the text element is added, you'll notice the left sidebar becomes active with editing options. In this sidebar, type your preferred text directly into the field. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any content you want to display on your site. With your text entered, it's time to customize how it looks. In the upper left panel, click the Appearance button. This opens up all the styling options available for your text element, giving you control over colors, fonts, and sizes. If you want to change the color of your text, click on the color picker. A palette will appear where you can select your desired text color. Choose something that complements your overall design and ensures good readability. Now, navigate to the Font section. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available fonts. Scroll through and select the font you want. Carrd offers a variety of typefaces from classic serif fonts to modern sans serif options, so take your time finding one that fits your vision. Optionally, you can adjust the size of your text to make it more prominent or subtle depending on your needs. Use the size slider to adjust it until you're happy with how the text appears on your page. This slider gives you precise control, so feel free to experiment. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Done. Your text is now styled exactly how you want it, with the perfect font, color, and size. And that's it. You've successfully customized the font of your text in Carrd, giving your website a more polished and personalized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.